Seedance 2.0 has crushed all video models.
Now you can't tell what's original or what's AI.
Yes, you heard that right. Now you can create high-level videos that are even better than Sora and Veo 3 using Seedance 2.0. Today, I'm going to show you a platform where you get full access to Seedance 2.0, and I'll also share a secret method for creating consistent character videos using Seedance 2.0. And you can make full movie as well. So make sure you pay very close attention, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called Video Inu AI. Is your all-in-one AI tool where you get a wide range of video generation features. You can generate videos up to 30 minutes long with 100% consistent characters. I've already made detailed videos about all these features in my previous uploads, so you can check those out. As you can see, they've announced that Seedance 2.0 is now available for everyone completely free. And if you want faster video generation, you can simply switch to Pro mode. This is the Tools section, where you get access to all image and video tools. Using Nano Banana Pro, I generated all these cinematic short images. All these shots were generated using Nano Banana Pro because this is the only image model that can literally generate anything. You also get Seedream 5.0, which is most advanced image model. And for videos, you get Seedream 2.0 completely free, without spending a single penny. Video Inu also offers a Pro model that can generate videos much faster, along with access to all other top video models, including the newly released Kling 3.0. Now, Seedream 2.0 comes with three main features: text to video, image to video, frames to video. With the frames to video feature, you can add both a start frame and an end frame. I'm using the Pro model here for faster generation. So, I'm using image to video, and from a single image I'll show you how to create long videos without using an end frame. All the scenes will be 100% consistent and seamlessly connected to each other. I'm using this image. Just paste it here, then add your prompt. Select the video resolution, and choose the duration. You can generate videos up to 15 seconds, but for this one, I selected 10 seconds. There's no need to change anything else. Just click generate, and here is the result. See the result, it's absolutely amazing, with no awkward jumps at all. The motion feels cinematic, the consistency is spot on, and honestly, it looks like a professionally edited scene rather than an AI-generated video. Now, we just need to take a screenshot from where the previously generated video ends and use it as a reference image. Then paste our prompt. The rest of the steps remain the same. Finally, click generate, and here is the result. As you can see, the result is amazing. Both videos are perfectly connected to each other, and I made this without using start or end frames. The video quality looks like a cinematic movie scene. Just imagine the kind of content you can create using Seedance 2.0. Using this method, you can create long videos as many times as you want. Just imagine making a full movie using Seedance 2.0. I truly believe this will happen very soon, so don't be surprised if someone creates a full movie before you do. Now, let's check the lip sync quality. I'm using this image and pasting my prompt, where I added dialogues and specifically mentioned that lip sync is needed. Then I click generate, and here is the result.
Seedance 2.0 has crushed all video models.
Now you can't tell what's original or what's AI.
The lip sync is excellent. It even adopts emotions and facial expressions, and the voice sounds natural, not robotic. Using the same method, I generated all these videos using Seedance 2.0. Let's check it out. See the result, it's outstanding. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can create videos even better than mine. You just need to add a little creativity. So you can use Seedance 2.0 free in Video Inu. But the free version comes with slower generation. If you want to create high quality and fast content, you can choose the Pro model. The subscription is very reasonable, giving you access to all image and video models in one place at a cheap price. I'll provide the link in the description, so go check it out and start creating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.